Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Amelia Sofa with student number A30220144 with the class A. Today I want explain my 10 literature review, the journal article. ESP needs analysis, a comprehensive review of English for specific purpose research study. What is the ESP needs analysis? Need analysis identification specific English language requirements for students in professional fields. There's studies examining what skill, vocabulary, communication context matters most of success in specialist industry from nutrition to hospitality to marketing. The first study with the title Need Analysis and ESP Course Design, a case study of the Institute of the Nutrition, Food and Agro-Food Technology. The main problem, master first studied struggle with text comprehension, technology, vocabulary, writing, and speaking. Um, this study used the method qualitative descriptive analysis using questionnaires with 12 doctoral students and 10 lecturers. The finding, English is widely used to the formal and business communication in the textile industry, particularly telephone calls, email, report, and communication with forage suppliers. Speaking, reading, writing skills are considered essential for carrying out the professional duty in the textile industry. The second studies with the title A Need Analysis of ESP in Textile Engineering Professional in the Ethiopia context. This is use the mixes method. The participant of this study, 156 workers from 6 textile companies in Ethiopia in-job interview with a textile company representative using questionnaires and were analysis descriptively presenting result in the front of percentage, graph, and narrative interpretation of the main findings and suggestions from participants. The research objective to analyzing the needs of the master first student for ESP course from the perspective of doctoral student and lecturer. The finding of this study, the majority of students experience difficulty in the text comprehension, technology, vocabulary, writing, and speaking skill. Student attitude toward ESP course were generally positive. Productive skill were considered the most important. Lectures and students both suggested increasing study time, emphasizing technology vocabulary, and integrating. Number 3, the study with the title A Need Analysis Approach to ESP Design in Irania Context. This use mixes method with qualitative analysis using persons square test using SPSS and qualitative analysis of interview data and participant opinions. The research objective identify the English language need of architect architecture student and graduate, particularly in the term of ESP, evaluating the effectiveness of the exciting architecture ESP programs. The finding, reading comprehension was considered the most important skill by student and graduate. Many participants feel that their communication skill, speaking and listening did not improve significantly after taking this course. This is the need to develop general study and better in, integrate language skill into in the ESP curriculum. The fourth study with the title Principle and Practice of ESP course design, a case study of University of Science and Technology in Taiwan, examining student perspective on ESP course need. The methodology, this is use quantitative study by Chin Lingley 2018. All these utilized a questionnaire adapted from Pellet 2010 to collect data from 2,257 students, list from 62 males and 195 females at the Technology University in Taiwan. Participant includes 105 English major and 152 non-English major. Data was analyzed using SPSS, employing descriptive statistics, t-test, ANOVA, and correlation analysis to compare variance group and factor. This study is aimed to investigate the learner's perspective of perceived need on their ESP. The questionnaire item include a statement such as, I believe learning English is important to get good job after graduate from university. And I think ESP instruction is useful for my future English language need. Next. The fifth study with the title Need Analysis on English Language Used by Hotel Staff in Bandung. The study is aimed to investigate the learner's perspective of perceived need on their ESP. Use quantitative research with collecting data. This is use questionnaire adapted from Bailey 2010 and collected data from subject using survey method. The finance speaking most critical, 80% read English is very important. Speaking rank hikers, followed by listening, writing, and reading. Key function, providing facility innovation from 85.6%, handling complaint 73%, and welcoming guests 65%, require English daily. Training needs focus on pronunciation, hotel vocabulary, check-in, check-out, conversation, and listening to the various accent. 1 until 2 classes weekly preferred. The sixth, with the title ESP Cards Design from Indonesia Hotel Industry Need Analysis. This study used quantitative research design with the participant 3 from desk staff and 1 hotel manager manager from Kapal Garden Hotel Malang, Indonesia. Interview with staff and hotel managers, participant observation. This into 4 hours at from the service and quantity in question focus on the like one and necessary. The result of the study, difficult speaking and responding in English, trouble understanding accent, like British, Indian, Arabic. English is used in check-in, check-out, payment, explaining facilities, and directing guests. Staff want to improve speaking and pronunciation, flexible weekly ESP training design, research focus on vocabulary of hotel vocabulary, practice conversation for check-in, check-out, facility explanations. The study number 7 with the title Need Analysis of English for Specific Purpose at Food and Beverage Emersia Hotel Bandar Lampung. This study utilized a qualitative approach to analyze the English language need of hotel food and beverage staff. This used the methodology with qualitative data collection, interaction, interview with the staff, transcription, and categories based on ESP framework. The participant of this study from 5 senior staff, 3 males and 2 females, age range 22 until 23, until 35. The objective to reveal essential English language need for hotel staff to improve their communication skill. The key finding, speaking and listening are the major need to staff, essential for improving communication and guest satisfaction. Interview topic, frequent English skill used at work, main communication challenge, required English training, and impact of accent on guest communication. Number 8, ESP need analysis for marketing student in an Indonesia vocational school insight from strategy analysis. This is the research overview with mixed method research with 50 participant marketing students from SMK Negeri Satuban, Indonesia. The focus exploring ESP need through strategy analysis. Data analysis from Sugiono 2010 with data collecting, data reduction, data display, conclusion drawing. The quantitative with descriptive statistic, percentage and average, and qualitative use interpretation of pattern, aligned with ESP theory, strategy analysis was 1998. The purpose of this study to identify the specific ESP need, preference, and motivation of vocational marketing students in Indonesia to the inform ESP curriculum design. The research finding, number 1, marketing student need ESP learning that is practical, interactive, and work-oriented. Number 2, their main motivation is achieving career success and effective professional curriculum. Number 3, the most important skill are reading, speaking, and listening. Number 4, the ESP curriculum should be student-centered, adapting to the learn interns strategies and real need to prepare them from the global job market. This is number a study with the title Need Analysis in English for Specific Purpose ESP for Nursing Student. This mixes method study aims to collect information about nursing student language need and define the target situation environment for studying ESP. The methodology used mixed method research approach with the participant include 36 nursing students and 2 ESP nursing lecture for each alumni, and large company tracheholders. Questionnaires development based on the Houghton and Waters 1987 method. The data analysis involved calculation percentage result from each language skill, as like listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary. The questionnaire covered study language ability, importance of skill or sub-skill, and relevant topic for their field. The key findings is like high importance across skill, all English sub-skill, listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, and vocabulary were rated as highly important by the nursing student. Reading as top priority as reading skill ranked higher in important, followed by listening, speaking, and then writing skill. Moderate proficiency, strong reading, respond reported moderate overall English proficiency with their reading skill significantly stronger compared to the other language areas. This is the last with the title A Need Analysis of ESP for Physical Education Student in Indonesia. This use mixed method study and to development idea English material tailored for physical education student university in Lampung, focusing on their specific language need in the sport domain. The methodology and participant use mixed method research approach with the participant include 50 students and 10 lecturers from physical education from at to university. The data collection and analysis, questionnaires, and interview were conducted with both student and lecturer. Qualitative data was analyzed using simple statistic, percentage, and average. Qualitative data from interview provided deeper insight and context. There are two research questions. Number one, how do physical education students perceive their current English language ability? Number two, what specific English topic and skill are deemed necessary for physical education students? From this study, there are key findings. The first, relevant ESP topic. Student identify strong need for English in support journalism and communication essential from athletes, reference, and coaches. Crucial skill development. lecture emphasizes the importance of enhancing student speaking and writing skills for international competitiveness in various proficiencies. Okay, I think enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.